Okay, today I decided to do something just a little bit different. There's waterfalls and a hike that I've been wanting to go do for quite some time. I'm getting over a little something that's been going around, a little summer flu. So rather than go to the gym and spread it around on the mat, I figure I'd keep it to myself and we'll go walk it out on this hike. It's gonna be some waterfalls. I'm pretty excited. I'm not gonna bore you with any of the footage on the way out. A lot of this is just flat road. We're going west into the hills. And if there's anything interesting, I'll get a couple shots of that, but I intend to stop on some coffee shops and we'll check it out and just make a day of it. We'll be back in time to feel better and go to the gym this evening. How's that? Yeah, I like that. Let's go check this out. All right, so let's get going. Pull over because this is an angle I have not seen Bana Hills from. I saw that in my last video, a few videos ago. At least some babbling of the brook here. Can just see it through the trees here. Oh, hell yes. Right. It wouldn't be adventure if we weren't adventuring. That pool is awesome. Let's go up to the top. We just made 2 new friends here, South Africa and a Manchester, England. And they're going with us. Let's go. My buddy Josh. Beautiful. Just a little wading pool. A natural infinity pool. What do you think of that?
Look at the fish in there.
Is there fish in there? You see them?
Yeah, I saw fishing swimming in this thing.
Telescope.
That's beautiful.
Ernest, if you're watching this, you're gonna know I'm wanting the drone, my friend.
Look at all the fish. This is what I was saying about the fish in the fish tank. Look.
That's right. Yeah, same ones. Yeah, you can see them. Yeah.
And look how many of them are sitting on the rock here.
Oh my God, they're all over in there.
Look here on the
action here. Oh, yeah. Taking a quick moment to pause and just say wonderful. Look at the view behind me there. So beautiful. See the rice fields down there? Yeah. And then right here, we're going there. That's where we're going next.
Yeah, Grandpa wanted adventure, didn't he? Can't be in 1 minute and out the next. God damn. Oh, fine. What a dumbass. I thought I brought enough water, but I'm not drinking that yet. Anyway, I'm on my way back down, and what a fun place. I'm coming back here. I found another spot. It's let's see if I can hold it. There's another spot forks off that way, and I didn't have enough in me today to go do that one. So this is going to be part 1, and there'll be a part 2 at another time. So anyway, I'm taking some leisurely strolls on the way down and soaking to cool off. And this was not enough. So, all right, I'll show you some more on the way out. All right, I'm back. That's the waterfall there, and that was a trek, man. That was a trek. So if I don't do any more entries, awesome. Super lightheaded, and I'll catch you on part 2 when we come back up here again. Until next time.